Yadam Prakasa Jana Dua. Yafiti Kotiani and Wajia Fiafimu, Ayasompa 106.5 Accra. Hot bite, a bra and a swan Ghana Shama, Yamamunina Muajo. A brano so Sakasia Musham, Yabajantraha, or my Ghana, and Yasia Fanaba Biano, Yadania Tre Adamamuni, Tanasa said Noa, Yedikai Adekasia, but a minute in Wadria Sandia Ababasom, and Sana will pay Munua Casadiano, at Waso at the Amamuti Shannon Swain, say every Hanamua. Ebefa SOMPA Santemantemu 93.1. Adava Radio Befebi Paris France Abuchimemu. Afeita kwaya SOMPA 101.1 Takwade 103.3 Tachuman. Aya SOMPA 106.1 Afesunyane 98.9. Amara Ofisa Okonkwanza 90.7 SOMPA Yadam and Afe Doma SOMPA 101.3. Doma Kronwano Doma FM Afebi at 100.7. Mankasimaya Kingdom 106.1 Afe Wudi Kodana so SOMPA FM ye Chabunya some Kitwa Makra Yadamo Live. And Maria Sachi Facebook Onesia SOMPA 106.5 Accra, SOMPA 106.5 Accra, and a YouTube no sa and something in an open don't chemwak in Kenya. Yawa Prince at a Watiana Romanti, Wakrocha in Nadia Kogwa Fontaine Fidiano so I www.sompaonline.com. Wakwa Benyabin Waking Kane. Shannon Swans I wanted to have it me chess one Wadama Basi, and Makwabia Daroma and a one Masosani, 21st clinic in the Asiatica expert. Cry Musechuchi, a family demand for about Santa Sian Country say, what the time ever to Yadiana so at Yamau. Time her Bamesha and so a crymu, na Yakoswabo and Kayasa at Mekobia, Wamu do a near Bomudi or Ganha, will be Akoto Wamu, I wish ya Wamu per marketers and the one my Yajuma, and tis one one once application, what the about SOMPA 106.5, ya no I want to make a cra, not Bibio will be an open for any waka. Way any Mekwa would do one Madumasu Yasania. What bite a brain way at Tanasie, near the Cassia bo a barbersum. Me a man, what dear, she a minute in what we are sansono. Medini, ene. AKOSUA AGYEIWAAH dear boating. A fayancha brennan prempray diano, yen churchumo and fa emon. I fetty and rather Banuano, Nanyasam Ketwamakra, I will my Ghana Rushigafia, a fay, and Wakwa and somewhere, and I'm one for a da one chiapia, no be a ditcher in the scene, and Wakwa say LGBTQ plus Billa, a quartom Rushigafia abandoned a persono, a Fedia Jebo, a Jenya Barber drama, and none what damn Rushigafia, one more to me at Yatum. Now, God of her, say LGBTQ plus Bill, ya can once a me. Now abandoned a person. Namrasha Jafia di Wakwaniaba, ye yanko Emma, a rich and Rasha for Ajitum. Now to say, Mampanita Danada Kufuado. What on Sabashas and signature? Wabara said was yana fe Ganda Yajiatum. Na Ababaya Mrana fe Bonifosama Tatuo. Says Akawasi to say LGBTQ plus is Sabion Trumuntu. Wobahonde Ro, I will mayimu. Says social media. And now over Tenefi, the Cassia so to say some pietishway. Not Wobahonde Ura, Emra and Ubedi. A face a Gana buying answer so mu. Say Waba Nasa Bema, William Trumuntu, I will mayimu for war fasha. And also na buying and ubedi amanwa ye ninyina ne nsema wodo bi ya ne ka ho ya na edika esadtie ana won mu kruche de gu nkrata so a abandodo na peso na wosanka ban no agitumuo ema no tumi be ya mra e wo maimu na so ye hu de akote bayira ho mamu a amana am akase wi akire aban no de ya basan ana echese abato ebra so ya yato aba asanso eyi abanfoforo ema afoforo baba to aso na ebra abansesa ya ba ya NDC aban abatena konwa so no na abase ewose Ghana fo sanso pushie na won mu pinya wose aso aban beji atum anansesa ye betumi aba ena no fiada ye twamu no ene ye tesem raso dwafie won makwasetena won makwaye na ese adwenkoro no akwakogina baako ama won motumi akwakogye atum na no kura wie no donkuma ne nyanya wo mo ntiase ebimu se won ma yi bi afrimu de edimu pa no a na no nti na ma ban da no na akwakoye den de ama no se wo betumi agye atomu no dodo no a ne yi de afrimu nti akwakoye se sabio de won ma agye atomu no eye bele de na so atintehuo ene kita Ghana ban a ye kwakosan asem ne ba na se emu nsem no akwakoye de ja ase ye kan se ye nka na right honorable speaker of parliament ya wono ya chiame hene a Owa ma Ghana ma shebedwa fie won monyanfo Alban Kingsford Sumana Babin wapanyi pere kasa ama wode atodwa a kire se LGBTQ+ be nu akoto mra shebedwa fie a enanu wada wamuji tumu no yebesa hwene biem na yehwa no sei anyambia no ade anuoma na afiri mu a ama Speaker of Parliament wo kan samu a etise yi na ebro no wo kasa omra shebedwa fie ana sami no wode atodwa a kire mu se yebesa so hwene biem no na samu a okan no Moment kakramra.
Implement this message to the House. Neither did the proceedings of that day convey the unanimity nor bipartisan understanding upon which the bill was initially created and deliberated upon. Whether or not these concerns raised on the floor and the public discourse are ultimately justified is not for the Speaker to determine. There are, however, concerns that go to the heart of parliamentary consensus and the confidence of the people and members in the legislative process. Honorable members, Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 and its implications on the LGBTQ+ issue is a global concern. Therefore, the eye of the world upon this Parliament, the Parliament of Ghana. What we do here must be able to withstand any legal and constitutional challenges that are sure to come. The bill has from its inception been presented to the nation as a bipartisan legislative initiative. Such bipartisan cooperation represents Parliament at its finest. It demonstrates to the people of Ghana that notwithstanding political differences, members of Parliament are capable of uniting around matters which they consider to be of national importance. It is therefore my considered view that legislation of this magnitude
na anu wachi no wa mananso wa anu so wasanso ato de mamrasha bedwafie se mrasha dwafo won sanso kwatena sebiem na won sanso enhwem enhwe hia se bill no anuema bi ho no mu a won mo etena se edigu nsani ani ansana se mpo no yebagye atom a yagye atom ama no ababa yemra enu nsum nsem o kaye muma entie bimra.
Indeed, this statement is consistent with my obligation under Order 24B of the Standing Orders to promote consensus on matters under consideration in the House. It is with this conviction that I invite honorable members to reflect on whether further consideration of this matter may better secure the confidence, unity, collective ownership of the bill, and respect of our faith, laws, and passion of the nation. Accordingly, I respectfully appeal to honorable members to reflect carefully upon the issues raised and to consider in the larger national interests the bipartisan character of the bill, the unity of the House and the nation, and the need to maintain the highest standards of procedural integrity to revisit its decision on the third reading of the bill to permit a reconsideration of the final text of the bill and any amendments thereto. Such a course, if adopted by the House, will not be an abandonment of the bill, nor a rejection of its objectives. Rather, it will represent a reaffirmation.
I was sending a turning carrier Speaker of Parliament. YEBOAH Alban Kingsford Sumana Babin and the turning canona. Ninyina muono Ghana mampanyin YEBOAH John Dramani Mahama wapanyi pano so na no watum akyere na dwen adiafa ho sane akwa yasem Ghana semo mamu nyina asem no na enwo akwa nya se ne nyina na twakɔwie a ne na hwe ne ba bepie se wode ne kokromoti ene pen ebesi so no wasan na Ghana nyina ya adanse ade atom se bill no afedi yagye atom ababa ye mara ewo man Ghana emu na mampanyin semo wo kan na kyerɛ se sabin producer wono enya se bia wo suro da biara da sebe no obagye atuma na obasan na baba ye mrasa ne na yi atete se mrahwe dwafo won masan ana won magye atumu no na mo no wo hwemu a ehon sansam ye a ededa da ho no edoso pa eye na speaker krambo ka se e wosasan so kɔ bia mu mrahwe dwafie na won mo tena sasan so hwem enioma ehia se wo mutumi de gu nsane ani na wo mo karie mu duro no se ebetumi aboa wo man yi a ne nyina no yade a eho hia se mrahwe dwafo betumi ahwem kyerɛ se nya dia be ho kura se eba bagye atum amana ba be ye bill sesi ya na se mra sesi ye nam so nti no adwuma wo ho a wo se mra so dwafo wo munya ntoboase na wo mo ye ema ne sipo ansa ne ye bagye atum a ye tumi agye atum amana ye na se na ne kire ya da sa adwuma no wo mutumi ya ye firi ho no de a ene na bibia ne ho no ye si ne kwan so no mampanyi wo mfa ne nsa enhyase na ne nyina twakɔ a Yaman boni ya watu yankra efrim rasa bedwefie nana opon checheku waba baka yensa na efra hyase kopem na wieye wonna de mu ntintimai pa yankwai na yana nkobo enkomo mfanfa ho international reporter madre
mejo so mami
na ho ye die
adomini ahwe ye megide sonso ho ye
o waja na dom
ye da oba de ase
ho na ayefe
me da ase
wona obutum rasa bedwefie yenim se LGBTQ+ ho nkomo boyi enye na ne yebebo yeboah ya chepa banda dana peso ye kan ena ene ya sabe piem rase medwefia wo mo edi hu nkomo na yenhwe ebere ko mrase medwefia ni se na no na mrase medwefia wo resume ya wo mkotena so hu nkomo bo no ehyase sei ene abewie hei
me da ase mame no krani nyame anim ni emra no a ene eye yewura aban Christmas money babin ede betudwa ewo mamra hyebedwefia no krani ochi omaimuni wiasa fa na nyina adwe sinema bi so esan se ma hyebedwafi ho no eye mra ena eye adwuma ewo ho eninta ye mpem bebre na no omokasa omose it is an house of records eye house a ekuta eye muandidi anase omukuta eho emra inti no dwumade bi omudie no eho behia se oso omhwe na omutimi etoto niema se ne beya ebetimi aboa ama eye emra ewo se omhye ewo mra hyebedwafi ho no etimi ebamu saa dano fiada na etwam no ana eho nkomo ema no homne so o mamra hyebedwafi yebeka ya ebra mra hyebedwafi eba bekọ eye o mahomegye mu no ena eka emra omo ade atopron so omo twen ni mu kwan se omunya bape senate bi on behwe na oma pass bill no ama no atimi abeye mra na enu enkamfua na yenimsanka senate bia ne betimi ateki emre kakra esan se yebeka bandada ne fiase ena ebra ekoye kokodu miaye bi na beto dwampo kire se wo mo no omo antimi mpokra enya akonya amfa emra no ankwankoto prono so ewo abandada wotwa mu koye no enti na chese emra ne hefa ne faaye enti eno ne asem a enti yebeka kra domkuma no esore wo so ema eye yewra ntim fodwo enso sore krampo twen eye mrahebedwafie no ni titiri speaker adwen esi so efa niema bia omu no mususu se aben ya wotisu wotimi ya ade ebeboa enti no na ni nyina no ade bia ye hwe enum kwan sanka se ne tie bia no ehon hyehye ebekọ mekai say me report even on Thursday no ebeto odwa kire mu say ye hwe senior proceedings no esifa elko na 9th parliament no omasanso etimi ede eye this particular bill eye LGBTQI+ bill no asanso ba ma hyebedwafie no ebeteki mrekakra esan say e was a passing through a lot of proceedings and sample ani etimi agye atumi say aba be yemra enti efiada no na nokuranie na bebrani na say ebetimi pass bill no ama na bam enti enu a Speaker of Parliament any central foshiaye won ochina nyame ya adoma ekwakopem ni fiada ne memne da so djuma so bi koso awo mamra hyebedwafie a the 4th interparliamentary convention ena chese eba so ewo manga na mu anu se a ebibre mu anu nyina no Ghana ya na eho su sa adwumadi no nti amamra hyebedwafie won enu ye nyame ya adoma ochina eko nti na wo so ne central foshia na ye dwene kwan obetima fa so ne se na adwumadi no ehon hyehye ebesi fa ko enu nti enam so ena ehun komo ebepie mu bie enti speaker kura ka kire central phone na say because of that nti no eye domkuma ne domkese ba no dafo no no mu hia wono mu hia wie a na fei omu enkomodie bi ebepie frim beba no eno ene pon a ebetimi ante na no speaker ba eno eno ne the third objection okasa edifan wo mamra hyebedwafie ne edikan okasa ye enkrata efri mampani akacha beto ne pronso chese mampani tukwan enu nti wo den akire edi ama eye mampani abedi akire
ena ne tosu bio eye kolekrote mrashebedwani honorable senator Ajiman Rollins nso ya paw no se vice president Edma African parliamentary committee chair so ono so ni dibre no enso eka ho bie ena the third one no eye LGBTQI+ bill na ye pass danu fiada no enu nti speaker ekomu ekotu some of the clauses ewo eye amamran mu eche se mrashebedefie wono no ye hwe clause 170 171 172 say ye pass such bill ewu benya se wo se mrashebedefie no yetimi ebie eda baako ede to ho enti eno no ye friend say constitutional period another session enti eno no ne sane no mutimi bie ekwan ede to ho me sane te de a mrashebedwani wei wadwentia wo ho ye beka ya na dom kuma ne kwampo etwe aban no ene Ghana adwen asisu se omo no emra na omo de koto pon so abanda da mu no aban we bae the 9th parliament no omo yi bebre frim eno ni omo hawo ni edom kuma no susuo eno no che se eyo omo ya esan se omo ni se emra na ye paw no se ye paw ma ni yi nkrofobia frim ye fa ni se LGBTQ ya omo practice no omo practice no ebia ye be mo masotwe a ebia be ye mfihia be ye miensa ewo eye afiase na sebe womo hye ekire na omo sponsor ne so no omo so no ya mom ebia emfie enum nti eno na dom kuma ne chance se da bi ekobasa enye because me wo practice ni ne wo sponsor no ewo so mo nyina mra no eye the same sene be ya entoa so enkobio
enti de won mo kan kire se eno na ewo previous bill ni mu
exactly do 9 parliament ba ye 9 parliament be o ma yi bi afiri mu
okay
enti o mo twe Ghana mpo adwensi so se sa na ekwakoba de a ene o mo dom kuma no o mo twe o mo de afiri mu ena dom kuma side ne so no 8 parliament no nipa no dimu ntintiman pa yasin south mrashebedeni honorable intim fodwo enti oni central form po yen central form shemu kire na adwen efa niema bi a omususu se sa ben eti o manka yade ebetima boa enti omu kwa na yom se edie na ahye this 9th parliament kutu panititru dom kese na chi asese ya yekese omotimi pass sa bill no ewo ahohare so sa is it because say watchina program na eba so na nti eno ni sembisa dom kuma no ebisa ye nti enenu efe bi no in fact dom kuma dom kese o mu nyina boto wom ebe speaker kasa wie no
ansa na obeto aso kra no ma me misa se enanu fiada no asa de wom gitum wom rahye fie no dom kuma no na wom enimu te sei edie na won mo ye ansa kra ansa na ye ba bagie atum san se ade a mu ni mpefese ye yi bia firi mu de menyini se mo ankasa kra no ebe koyie de amamo ansa na yagie atum na biem se no wom nim si yagie ye yi bia firi mu a eye dey na mutimitena se ye nhwe han ema akwakodu ba bia dui
ade ba kwa wosem no nyina ye hwe ne hu ni se mrahye fie ho no mo no dom kese ni kuta dom
sure
enti no se dom kuma enu ho no mo omutimi eform column e ma ne but ye hwe Friday column na in fact both two sides nyina omo ama because ye ka omo mienu kura no mu no 50
ne ye do na etimi
enti eno so ne asem foforo eno ka ho bi na ene yera abanki Osmani Babin esanso atwe mra ne se ensanso mepie mo mrahye obio
okay
esanse se dom kuma no e wo concern bi o mu raise a e wo se o mu tie na supam ena ade ba ko ne se such a man now yera Osmani Babin e kan se this particular bill ne e bill bi e wiase fa na nyina ni die kire eno ntinu se e be pass bill bi sei na yamfa mra kwanso ampase ne ya ebeto brebi no emfa muaye papa emma good ebe adwene enu nti no wo mo hye no mo sanso mfa mra bio ba ne speaker si super ne ye se wo betie tape na boy na o se clause 170 171 172 this particular clause no anase article
animi enu nyina ka
nimi ensa no osusu ye no ne wo pa kire ni nyina no kire se e wo se yetimi enya eda baako
okay
asa da baako no etimi ye eda parliament e de betena se nti yemfa ne say Friday no mo pass ye no e was say a consideration stage which is that one particular day na e was say etimi nti yemfa ne say Friday no okay nti omo wie Friday no bibia no omo pass bill no on be pa another day eno na ba be consideration day nti sa consideration day no eno na speaker ekotu ye ewo article 170 171 172 eche se eno ni bia ya na nka wosem na hyebedefie wo mo hwe no mo consider
yo yentie speaker sam no a wo kan ye no
good
yentie mra ye ba enne nkomobo no ne asanso atimu bio
implement its passage to the House. Neither did the proceedings of that day convey the unanimity nor bipartisan understanding on which the bill was initially created and deliberated upon. Whether or not these concerns raised on the floor and the public discourse are ultimately justified is not for the Speaker to determine. There are, however, concerns that go to the heart of parliamentary consensus and the confidence of the people and members in the legislative process. Honorable members, Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 and its implications on the LGBTQ+ issue is a global concern. Therefore, the eye of the world upon this Parliament, the Parliament of Ghana. What we do here must be able to withstand any legal and constitutional challenges that are sure to come. The bill has from its inception been presented to the nation as a bipartisan legislative initiative. Such bipartisan cooperation represents Parliament at its finest. It demonstrates to the people of Ghana that notwithstanding political differences, members of Parliament are capable of uniting around matters which they consider to be of national importance. It is therefore my considered view that legislation of this magnitude
Nese upon we speaker and someone wa kan
speaker in some odi kan e kan ya odi etu dwa no but ye sha maame akosua speaker o pese wo kyerese woni mumra
no kre
ena ne mra ne nso na enne odi tu dwa no afani mi enu nyina obi antimi ankasa wo ho
se wono na dam ono
ono de ya no
ena de obekan so na ewomu wo
ena ne obekan so na we se ewomu wo ena ebiem nso no ne ya osusu se eye ebeboa na enkoba se ebia ekuo bi ebesori wo ho ochina enu nti ne ye woyeye no eyade a na edapono so enu a eye National Peace Council ene eye ekuo bi ni kokoshiaye and we're even thinking say the same ruling because ye share ruling na Friday ebaye na obi beka say okay sana 8 parliament no mo ye ya na okay 9 parliament no wo mo nsa hwe nkrata na se ewo 8 parliament ne binum anya akwanya amba this particular 9 parliament inti ene sana te there was say sanso hwe ni nyina afoforo inti say ye kase ye started from scratches there eno ena ebetimi taking over years impokrampo no ni ensusumpo say yanhwe yempokra abawe befiso na this particular LGBTQ bill no ni yentimi passing wiye but minority no so raise concern bia wo mo kire say emra no eye emra domkuma no aka ho bi ewo 8 parliament ni mu esusu say yade ebetima boade a eni ada ne yemfa sa amra kro na nkonkoto mampani ocheso na pronso na won sign dance ye be ye binum afiri mu enti eno so ni concern a minority no raise ye but ni nyina kanfo an maame ene speaker chese o ye pani ene speaker wa chese or ye penny papa say
the experience
no esun.
Oh yes.
So most questions now even young cry one central ye juma wo mrashe de fie bi say won say so does it mean say near what mu Friday speaker what mu Friday first speaker or making sure say this law is being passed no sebi na juma no etosi anase onim na juma ena ebiemu nso no edie mempa na mrasheredafo no domkuma domkese edi gina so omde pass this particular bill enti no we na kwakwa ya ade bia dachi ankoma bia ho nkomo de wo se etimi epem ediko nanim because se si ameka say parliament e wo recess ye be resume biemu a eje say next week Tuesday and ye be resume ena speaker so kasa wie no o kasa wie no wan kire edapoti yebetimi asanso afi this bill no ebiu
mo medase na mamenkwa wo no so tew na memra sese asembisa ana ganafo ebisa eno na opon echiremu no se anyambia no na no sane speaker etena asem no so e omrase medwafie no eyekwo na ankoyie enuma bi na anhyeda nyina yie ntia ama bill no speaker of parliament pese wasanso hwemu biem no anasa de pa anasie na yembise ye ho sade na ama na ye den se Ghana bill we yebetumi agye atum abadada na peso wo mo twene da wure se ya abawe so bai sa yenko o man so yi na yenkonko di enkomo ye ne lawyer Eshan na ekwa akokasa hello one mo nya from ojo hello lawyer otimenka majoy
yeah na me maame
mo madase wadoro maboa ye ni hello lawyer mete wonka lawyer otimedie hello lawyer what menka
hello
yen san hwebiem na yen lawyer eni nkomo abusia yen wese ye benya lawyer Thomas Eshan na wa homa no so na yen no adi enkomo nti wopon sade na wo bisa se die omanfo no mo keka eni die won mususuo se first speaker of parliament de obetena adwomo na no fiada no eye rahiafo de wodi kan de tu dwa na no wada no kwa na anko yie anasa sanyan kasa na nesiti na ne yemi se ye ho so se yo yensan kwa omo no so ye ne lawyer enkodi nkomo hello lawyer majoy
maame
mo yada se waje so wada ma LGBTQ+ won nkomo bo na me yafra wei na wadi ye yensa wo brepi yemi se ede na ama na ye den se abandada na penso wa mo twene da wure se ya ye beje atom ye nyintom wi akire mampanye de ne se ba hyase na abanse san ba ye aban so betena akonya so no ena no fia ba ye se yaje atom afei speaker of parliament se yaje se yesan so hwemu biem esan se ne bi wo hodo a ehu hia se ye betena se ne yadom su kwansa ansa ne yaje atom ye hunu se ede na ama na ye den di ama Ghana ban se LGBTQ+ no bill no ye betumi yaje atom wadaroma
yo mami say dia enioma kono menu nyina no ye betumi a speculate say chama bibi say obi tunyum say o twen ahona mana asa bibi di sa pele no ho sanso me dia kita nyina no as e kanya say interest e we chene do suji and people from the development partners the various interest groups are only any beach sabi yechi ya no ana pesa for the past level any one so I want to say be a teacher a bit me about them and so no one way or the other and so no a couple of days minutes you speculate I bet you can say it no no be no Victory Esrama Namano. This answer here in Susu and you are back than in any city high.
Na wadoro ma yenhwe na dom kuma no raise concern bi se enuma ne bi wo hono mu aye afrim enti anama wo mo no empene so se be no kra begie atum sesi yi ama mampanye de nsa ahyase menim wanya bia emu ahwe na wo hwe ye no so no wo no se de enka ene yagie atum aka mampanye betumi de nsa ahase no emu ha na wadoro ma
yo enti senya tene se ma hemu nyoma ewo bill dada ni mu no ebi ya sakre bi mu ana bi bibia found exceptions in so ahihye baby so if one say sa abrabo no a bi no ebra no a eno de egaso ginago say obia obobo sa abra no bia no otumbra abra ma ebe wari mbra na say ba wari ba ana say bo ebi sa agom eno de bill no ekaso bra no and then the other aspect of advocacy to protect that bill no every one some check obi ko jina baby na what sa abandon some we promote say anya oboni ko to be bill no example sadeno sa is a clear the money be this so
checking section 9 of the bill now. New changes and also amendments are made, introduced their own exceptions. In truth, so to say, if you are a journalist to say more as a PDC, say more Abrabo LGBTQ, you must someone. Young to me, they will say, I am for sure, so they are not productive.
Okay.
But more yellow, normal line of duty as newscasters, as journalists, and a creative exception amount. And the creative exception amount, a lawyer, says a lawyer, me, and Captain First, I do, it's a year on court one, or two, and two, but I don't need any question as media. And make many business say, and for NGOs, non-governmental organizations, position that are not government someone. Come also there's an exception. But the other guy being waiting for and here a hard sample is constant with whom the private members don't photo and say, I simply say they be as a in Shibu because now it was a promotion of LGBTQ Abraham. And the cover say, David, and so now the Pinnacle have promotion, the Pinnacle, yeah, minimum school, everyone as I say, okay, they say, now you're from the club, and to us, whom are qualified, and non-governmental organizations, we are free to propagate these things, ADWOA and management. Now, why the never go to the Yashasi? I think so. Another group of people are also more exemption. Development partners here. I am donor agencies near the Adi. Almost more exemption. We can start, like I said, you know, everyone see so I idea and Rano Ebrahim and no and Ama. The bill has been watered down.
Politics, say, and say, I was a afternoon, you do go up one margin cobben crum. Now you to me, Jitum, one as answer, dear. And you were minding your mamma and your money at the mean, who say was a yet chin a time. I was a new mutum among your summer beura mamma, say, now.
We want to say, I'm some kind of, but I'm
okay.
And your interest groups are a shit today. So, they are something to about politics, politicians are or who say, and then you're quite in the way I know. You won't go far, almost being said. And you might do and say, and they are our mind. And after them, they said, you're watered down, the impact and said a Sana, the book is on the court yeah, we are sitting in our and so apart from the politics, no, there is a lot of interest and influence behind the scenes. I am not near being. So the Kaya and say, it's your own cool big affair. Honest, I'm the more piggy, over here in the store. We use our Kaiser in the first year. It's not fair. I'm not to say, or passing, or another, or just of that passing LGBTQ bill in the name. And so, in an area, too many impact. We are getting before so parliamentarians, the politicians, so Ama. Yeah, and or Mama, yes, and
Lawyer, ye Jawa Moko Krana, Assemti, our bay, and now Becca, Edia Fabio says, we and you'll be anywhere. Gallophonia Ranimu Quinsa, ye Bajia Tum. Now, Baba, when for some Mama said that Chinchilima. One want to say, I was your chinchilla, so I'm not sure if you know more in your breath, and my woman who are now, your queen. I
mean, who said, at the end of the day, and they are accountable to the whole of Ghanaians. And you know, maybe I mean to see any say, Obama say, yeah, a best for Ghana for you any say, yeah, Mumbre, Yano, and so, and you must say, swap. As I say, I'm my phone, and I say, a marshal with your phone. What that and then why in society, irrespective of political party affiliation.
Lawyer Thomas Eshan Mayan was say Anno Bren Wadagia Wanyamaye. Miss Redasi. I was saying another bank Moye, I am running near. Well, my Ghana, Lawyer Thomas Eshan, and yet said Wakasano LGBTQ plus, and one some walk people, my Ghana Rossum, if you know. Speaker of Parliament, I did count to Numu Akasada, and Mamma Court, and Wapon Honamini in Ukraine fee, Cassiabono and Twasso. Nana,
Mammy,
what were you meaning?
Me that say,
why are dear
Medasi?
Now, listen, none walk on Rossum, if you one more time, and I say, is there no one offer? And just a we are talking on you cross no you
was a honey biaya ye kosunya de nti no say e wo mu say omudi agro bebre wo ho but say wo am adwan da ho no wa nsua de a obenante omo terms ene omo nema obe won tiri ase ena uyo bi nso ye kwadwofo nso ntimi nya adwuma ho because we kasa kwan obetima fa so tumi amaji omu nyina kasa na ya be chiri mama ni otifi atiase no ni nyina so eka ho bi
mo ye ja wa mu akokora no nyame yadomu a efrichi na ekono nhyehyɛ ne yɛsɛ umra
me da se enra speaker of parliament era abankis for smani babin ene central for kasafa o china dwumedie ya ba so yi kyerɛ sɛ Africa na sɛ bibire mu anum sei no enkro anan aman aworo be ye duasa ena omoba eye this particular conference
ena
Ghana na hosti this is the fourth one Ghana ana hosti nti no ade a ede eye amampanifo bibire na ebaba ena ebiemu nso no ede speaker of parliament in panifo enso ebeba ansa na mu abedi akire ansa na diplomatic course enso ebeba ena aside that enso kra no this particular conference no near botaye bako etatu ebetimi aboa Ghana pa no eya ohobia ebetimi ede abre ni titru ni akwansra nti no mmra hyebedwa fiom no de omo akire se ho na omo de ombe yom bibia nti right from Ridge Hospital eba nyina utimi ho ahyenso de ewo ho no manyame ya adoma wo kyena se na adwumadie ni nyina no ebetifa akoso nyewura Kings for Smani Babin any central for Akasa dia found we bie pon de ato central for no say central ni bia opese oba obetima babe we adwuma no betimi aba abeyo ne titiri wo yen ye adwuma e wo fidua mu ho no sei no se wonya adwuma ho no de a ene ye be kire okwan obetima fa so awon so no onkofa nia emfa asem mfa mrew e wo central adwuma ko awudie mu ebie mu nso no awowo mo beba kwan central for betima fa so mbe rewre mu ayo mo stories ne de eno so ebie pon e de ato no ma central for o change medie nso ba be danso na ye hwe anim kwan ye ka sei so far omo register so mbeba conference no omo nyina etimi aba bedu ama sisi ya meka sei nyame adoma wo kyena senate bia no mra hye bedwe fie wo e na dwumedie ni betimi akoso medase
yenhye dase wa yeni nyina na da sare o si bi pentamidie on kwan edwo
ebre na ebi
ana so on kwan edwo
enye ni sa ba ebre na ebi
awusi awari arena na opon checheko ne yetene nka no ya ma de boni e wo mra hye bedwe fie e na ye hu se LGBTQ+ ho sensem na odi mu amanebo eboye no ye na ye hu tiawa ye ba kase ebo no wopemu no ankasa eto so
Abusuan hotbite kase bonto aso ena yede mamu no na arehosemu ababeto dwa ene se enipa dunum ena makwanhia so ahwere womo enkwa enedue ewo pekichame kwan no eso ewo from mantamu na womo kire se ahomache beye donko na kyese enne ahomachen ena sare hosem no esi ya eyase ahodo mienu a wo mu nyina eye commercial vehicles a passenger for be yaduanan ena na egumu dodo no anso ena aprepra ya ye kasa dia yaresabia ahodo ye wo framantem ho ya che wo mu nyina ede yakoho no se de be ya pomdin adwumayefo no wo mbetimi ahye wo mo amom ho atomo na odumgya adwumakuo no wo mo enete asemi born ntam so ekopie mu won wo se enipa ye kasa yi womo atimi anya omuti edidi mu no eye enipa aduonunum enti a passenger for aduanan 40 ena na ete ehyen no emu enko wiase no emu dunum 15 ewu ena 25 nso womo anya omuti edidi mu dodo no anso ena aprepra na voter regional PRO ya wono no eda odumgya adwumakuo no ano ADWOA Hope Bejira wono ena ebo amane akirekiremu se enianimu hwehwemu a wo mo aye no ekire se ya san ahodo mienu ena ede kobo ani ema sa akwanhia no esiye na we ne emergency response bia ene odumgya adwumakuo no wo mo ya ade pa mpepi ya na BBC ne efre wo mo a no manfo dodo no company se fire service for wo mo mantam so we de akwanhia ne si ya ye fre wo mo apa ene wo msesa wo mo niema ekokodru sin honom ene wo mo anu wo maka hyen mu yeyi wo mo nyina pia abonten arahosam ne ba ye ne se nipa dunum 15 die wo mo entimi enya nkwa ewo saa akwanhia ne mu akwakwa ya arahosam yi pa ya kire se wo dwen ho kura wo nte ase sanse saa akwan no so pa de nketo da wo ntai enhu ni ye ntante tentem se voter region kwan bia akwanhia ne saa neoma na ha na so wedie akwakwa ya de bia ha dwene ye papa ya wo mu ekire mu se wo mu ye de o betimi bia se de be ya wo mu makwakopie mu ewo ayaresabia ho no ye betimi ahye o mamom ho ato mu enti ensem ahodo a efiri framantem eba ye yarehosem ene adani ekire ede amamu yi
Yada so jiremu ewo arehosem nemom enye framantem wei esiye ewo asantemantem asokwa kropon nimu na ekuro ye frani ginyase empotem ho ena esiye na ne nyina da eni se ojahwehwe bi atiesi amanfo ya won mo ho no wonwuma ne wafiefie mu ama ye kasa niema ahodo ene enwuma ahodo pinua no ena ahyedrobe wabra ye kasa na asem no esiye no tek odumgya adwumakuo ya wonum ewo ho wonum ema wonum ho eye harisen frama ema wode won fidie mumuntu no ene wo mema no eduru wasa wo kwakoboa se beya sa ejahwehwe ya man homere so ewo ginyase prize bi ye no ewo asokwa municipality ne mu no wo behwe na watimi akwakodum no na bra ya mane bofo ya wotonkra ewo asantemantem ba bedu wode ni ko twawisi ya na hwene sentemu ekohunia ekoso no wone wona wo musoso eniema hye ya ye kasa hwenhwen ena achi wonum no ebi kasa ye ba ko ya wowom ye fra ne madam nyako wo kyerɛkyerɛ ne nsɛm mu ɛkyerɛ ye na ɛkwan ya wo fa so a wode ɛkyerɛ ye na kyerɛ akwakwa ya rahosam kɛseɛ pa ya ye hwɛ sɛ ye nsa bɛka no disɛm ya maame ɛyɛ madam nyako wode ɛtu dwa ɛwɔ ba obedu nanim wabla wo ba anan ɛdnani ɛkopie mu ɛwɔ ginyase prize bi ya kyerɛ sɛ ojahwehwe no ɛma ne homne so na wo kyerɛ sɛ salons ahodoɔ wɔn a wɔnom ɛyɛ tire ne wɔn a wɔn yi tire yi bi wɔnom ɛdeɛ ɛhyɛ ya free carpentry shop edua dwumfo adwumayɛfo ne bi nso ɛho kan yɛ ɛna afei so containers ahodoɔ bi a enyuma ahodoɔ bi ɛna wɔnom ɛyɛ ne mu yɛn kwankɔhwɛ madam nyako sɛ yɛn nsa akana no de sɛm na yɛn kɔtie ebimra.
Fashion cry the ewom erade me wo fie be me do fie be 20 minutes no more frame me say me shop ne de ehye nti me ala me say me fish shop wo de eba na me ko free fie ran say eja me so justice wo be frame me say me shop ne de ehye ti e ba no say ja de edoma de ehye me fashion cry the ewom me ba cho me pedike na me say to drinks this nsuo no na me ba me say so mo say free carpenter ni bi wa etu ameso ewo ho mo se fi ni wona etu ameso bae ebe so me die ya she man fa hwe enche me ba 2 months kula nyam bae no ma sabi bia 2 months mo ne ba kwata e she rade
Anode semya etwegu yei eye wona ejahwehwen ede wonum nya ewo ginya se presby empotem ni baako ya e friend se madam nyako e na wode arahusemu enchechemu esiase ede ema ye no afe yenkwai ADWOA opon eje wono ene eye tech operations fire service commander ya wono ewo ho SOMPA ASIAMAH ne boni ba bedu ene no etwetwe nkomo efa ejahwehwen ho ema ne bisa ne saso wote ne sen na wote ye no so na mo mutu ye ene de aka ekire nyina no panyin no so e de to dwa sei ekire
840 no na yinya sa district call no say eja edadina as president bibi oh ya ba de nya mu hu say ba ne dem den na je ko pa dum nti yetumi dida no aba form aba bibia ye kama oh me na say ye ho den ne ye ho henti iteki ye be 30 minutes ni ditini ko ebu de nyina ma ni nyina etu ye dum awan for the request me ya na emuodi ofra ba bia adequacy portie no won kan this ye ko yira ba bia ba ko for say ginya say president it ko bi dia say ko ni free do bia so ni president no it is a cycle azana obi ka bi be frey ni wa na ofre ya kasa no de ofre no I friend be 10 times ofre no akate no de fe na nti yesem say mo fra o ma yehu ba bi portie ejakro no asie yehu ba bi a ye fa eba be ma yetu aba be se wi bakro e na japade oh stores no de me san de o mu nyina atumi ase no me de ga de ba de this e kire ya nsana afi na ofre ga na aba fo mo da fe de yehwe mu na de ba be to o mu anim emu ehu de kra ai ma ne bai
Wei eye arahusem emunchemu ya esiase ya tech operations fire service commander ADWOA upon eje woni amane bofo ba bedu atwetwe ho enkomo a wode emu enchiremu amayeni
ayo mama na nimsem dada ne yakoso awo South Africa mine mu ebebremu adehye ahoto ye makodin sensem wo hono a yesiba mo no sibam trofo ne nyina no akwakoye se wo mususu se wo mo babaje wo madwuma eye nam sunti ene na obi anko ne kurum eno no ne ekoso awo South Africa mine mu ya ye bro enkrofo ho a ena no adakora no Ghana sofo wo hwe nkofo mama ho nsem so ayeye ma Ghana de hye do no ano wo makofa wo mo esade wo maba wo mu nchi na ekuo bi akeka wo ho bomo adiaba ya wo mu kyeresa ne yekoso South Africa mine mu no kwasem eni enyan na enyina ya bibiman na se mo de mu ye ne dia ena na no den pa na obi e sore se wo pamo enkrofo wo mu mfiri wo mu nkroso wo mu nso akọ mu nkroso a ena na South Africa mine nko mu nyina yie senka de beto wo mo adehye no ka no so ani be enyan papa nam so nti wo mo koto asra se wo mo sesa wo no adwene anya sa na obi so asore se wo ye sa de no a wo ma meka se hu yanka ekoba no sanso na akachi wo panye pa ya wo no aye Economic Fighters League wodi wo no animu owura Ernesto YEBOAH wo no akro ya Pan African activist wo ka ho bia na se Pan African movement no wodi mu entintimai wona semtrofo akasai ema wo chechemu ne entia wo mo soso esusu sei edema South Africa mino.
We are all aware of recent ongoing happenings in South Africa, where homophobic violence has once again made its ugly head. Let us get something clear. What is happening in South Africa should be properly defined. Let us not call it xenophobia. Let us call it Afrophobia, because that is what it is. Xenophobia is an irrational fear, mistrust, hostility towards foreigners. What's happening in South Africa is not targeting foreign, it is targeting Africans. The Chinese are not being targeted. The Germans are not being targeted. The Indians are not being targeted. The British, the French, they are not being targeted. Only fellow Africans are being targeted.
Obviously, way aye owura Ernesto YEBOAH no Economic Fighters League opanyipay odemu entintimai
wo ensemfofro emuno Narcotics Control Commission adwumako ne bo amane se wo mo asai eye narcotic enro boni ebie beye parcels no empimudu ahemwotwe aduasam yensa 10,833 yani nano eye parcels of narcotic substances a wo ma se no ewo kofodua dumping site ewo Akwadum Road ye no ewo apoema ntemu sade Narcotics Control Commission wo mo emra ema ho kwan no na wo mo kiremu se enye wo mo nko ne kodi se adwuma yi empenifo ahodo bi e free Ghana Police Service narcotics for nankasa ka ho ena Attorney General atenaye wo mo kiremu se we no eye asem bi ana eye court asem eda nipa mienu ntemu a baako ayete Raphael Wilson de otoso mienu nso ye Sam Wotete ya sa accused persons yi wo nyina abo mu tirimu po se wo bedi bone na afenso wo di enurobone aye adwuma wo nam kwa bone so na eye sa enurobone adwuma no enti ye de wo court niema ye sizi ye wo sa nipa mienu no entem no eno na ne wo akwa sei ni nyina ewo sa empotem ho na wo mu kire mu se we no eye court no ne hyeye se na cortex for wo mu ntu sa na mo no nti 150 sacks ni nyina eka enurobone a wo mo enya nti na chese sacks no moto no ye 150 enti wo she Facebook se si a eno na ye de agu ho no wo sha ba ku bi wo ho a ya bobobo no yi boto ahoduo mu boto ash ya se wine yo se pink color bi abia mu ene anya sanketo track ma ene alodi enti boto no ye makomako ha aduonum 150 na wo sane boto no a de wo mo akyeche no boaboa nkumankuma na ye fe no parcels no eno ene ye 10,833 no enti ene da ye Facebook page no so wo masai na adwumako no ebo amane se wo mo swai kon se saade we wo mbetu ase wo maimu enti wo nam kwa abone so ye nobody ho adwuma na attention gire ye pa esanse na Cortex Control Commission wo mo bade amasa ankrofo ne pa we eye kokobo ebia na we no wo magye no wo masai no wo de ebia na ati anko ye no akodam be ye mfihie duru no ana aduasa enti wo mo catch wo mafo nyina se wo mo nya hwe ye na wo mo a wo mo de wo ho ege sa ndobone dwumadie no mu wo mo twe wo ho emfiri ho kra
afenye remwen ewo twifo atemokwa mensimu na kroya ye friend se twifo bimponso ehwo na yakwa akowura owura bi e friend no owura kwabena amo wone ne hokene akuya ahima wonum na esu ede frera IGP ene empanyifo ya wonum ka biewom ewo enkwada ne titru eyedie ene bambo ho ensem so se womra won srabemu esansenia eto wonum no eni eya yenya na efofuru wonum Wachese wonka bi nhemu enano ya wada ya etwam ya brantie bi efrani se Fred Carter dodo na efrani se Junior wanya mfinhia ne dunsia wonom nkohwe enwura bi no ewo eye wonom empotem ho a abrantie Junior wanya mfinhia dunsia wonom baba ya wanya mfinhia du akwada no bema no de oba na kwa akoto nwura mu ho ena se bieso wo bu na ya segumu asem wese na kwa kwa ya brehosem ya wo kyese ne ya wo suro kese akurampo wo ho no ene se bia ya wo mkwa yesa ene bonefosem no eyade a esen eben ensuo ne sa yoso nti wakoto asre empanyifo ya omka biewom se wonom emeso asem ne mu se ne ya emra no esefota no wonom emfanto no mpre atentene emfama wonom eba no yewura kwabena wono ene gina mu a wakasa sei ede kyereye.
We are all aware of recent ongoing happenings in South Africa, where homophobic violence has once again reared its ugly head. Let us get some.
Meyeme film se asama abeni no se asama na bana se me bana mfem madwa no obi na kwadewo enwlo na me bisa se nti bema no okrum ho na se bema no ko ana so me don so mfem premier and me ba sa so na so na me frɛ me black ni na nkasa no mam direction se nko ma me no fa apara nko hospital na me ba me maji hospital report no me nko ye case na me fa boy no fa nko nti me de me so ma dwen se ke me ba na ma me frɛ ma me se that is on train na me ba ho na se o mo na ko kese mu ana na so da bi o ma yan fa na ko na me se wa da na yes, I'm saying I'm not good committee for her. When that's not committee. It's not good committee for the committee for so remote money so. As I couldn't name stand it there. Damn ben on Maka Asano. I say, some can feed the Nimbo, if you didn't you say feed in the when force say all Potona or Machi Dinano. And to Miss Day, as a man day, I would say, Sana, Ete. Because I know what I know. So, question as so can I see that them with you. What's no more than audience or so. The person watch your brain. What's better? Nice for saying, or nada. Into a man in blue night and
Abusian we say eja kwabena amo ena fenso ne hokeni mame akuya ahima ena wonom ane disem etwaku ye sempanyefo emra won sra bem sebe ya ne esefata no wonom emfanhye na nema entimi emfranton sem we say nyina da yewura ya ye frane se Thomas Opon wono eye nkratofo ena woto ebi edema na yen
Jumadia Sonkobia Kwaso Ewa Magana Emuya Waton Safra Mampanya Bedi Professor Jenna na Opoko Ajimama Nen Munyam Kwatechiri Nana Nyinano Efa Emo ya Yedua Ewa Mayimu Say ye bedini yedini ye na fe ni dua no so no yetumidi sika botene ewuramu na fe aya krabehwe na aya kono aya nika se ebetwe dom afri nkrofoma man so no maba beto bi ewa mayimu na eno na Professor Jenna na Opoko Ajiman Ghana Vice President Waka Sanwo to dwa atrose ebro no du so ebibiman enioma ye kra de free crofama ma so biti samo ye jai na ye hwese yankasa ye de no ye wono ye betumi aye ne ye ye din so ye de ne ye wose koba no sa no beboa ye nka ye chie COVID-19 brani mu no ebra ebibiman asase se yankasa ye hwe na fa ne ye tototo obi atore bodes mu no ya ye sinkete ehwese enioma bi wono mo ye nkra biem na mom ya ye boboso no ye ewo ya man so ebi na wose ye hyase se ye ne na ya boa ama emudi asoso no nipa pi no atumi de musika botene ababerum Vice President Professor Jenana Opoko Ajiman.
Export restrictions, trade tariffs, and geopolitical tensions have reminded the world that countries that import too much food also import vulnerability. The West African region possesses fertile land, water resources, entrepreneurial farmers, growing consumer markets, and one of the youngest populations in the world. Despite our economic potential, Africa still spends more than $50 billion or more annually on food imports, with rice accounting for a significant share of that import bill. Rice has become one of the most consumed staple foods across West Africa, with demand rising rapidly, and West Africa alone imports millions of tons of rice every year.
I was your Vice President Professor Jenana Opoko Ajiman.
Ye call on May Emrase Bejem. Namrase Bejenia would Jinemu Edemo Manfo Wasalaga South, Abaton Peswasu, Munyamfo Zuera Mohammed Ibrahima. And what they are to judge here, Sasa Abino, Emma, or Minisi Kasem 18 Tim, Nitichu, Ewo, Emma, Assatinemu. Now, was say Emma, 1 year, Juma Suron Copa passe a few to ye, or Bash or Diano Pa, Chesse, Nifie, and what do you kunune ma, a wishing phoning in a coyon befasu didie, said ye Mabeko school, Nini may be a titty, saying no, and Pepi, Yana, Ma, Woman Kukura Swa, one more Esha to a fear near Masadia Bay and Nima bit me Akoye. Now, was a bino credit to say be bar. A man, a man, say, Edimu, a beko ye, ma, enquire so a ma, ain't he a ma, one more a play for Pim Cassia pa, ewa mamu bianto to yon, bomb and penny John Romani Mahama, Basso so ba ye, come minus a casamon to Tianya be crowned with me to near mamma, says inflation, a swat here, but from say we. Caneno baby a nejina a free 2020 noa bepim 2023 now shesa 2026 year woman pempenswa inflation no akwakodrotim se niema eko yankasa and some ahodo a wode tuja wa bra na woni amani boni na opon chicheku edi nkomo no sei en wokano.
In the run-up to the invasion of Iraq by the USA, there is this story that a friend came looking for his friend in the house and entered the house and met the wife and the children holding pen and paper, discussing school uniform, school shoes, pepper, milk, onion, garlic, kanwa, and everything. So he asked them, "Where is your father?" He said, "He's under the tree playing draft." So his friend went there and said, "Hey, you are sitting here. The woman and the children have taken over your role." He said, "Oh, when it comes to budget, it's for women." He thinks about international issues like America invading Iraq. Mr. Speaker, that is the duty, that is the true duty of women. And so for us, anything that stabilizes the economy, that today we can look at a 3.4% inflation, thanks to the prudent fiscal and financial measures that the finance minister and the NDC government have introduced, we will celebrate. Mr. Speaker, this is a stark reality as compared to the 2024 inflation of 22.85%, 2023 38.11%.
Salaga South Mrashe Bejeni Odumonyamfo Zuwera Mohammed Ibrahima.
Afe yemromwe onimonyamfo Gizera Tete Abotui wano ene soafo abediechire ya wohwe enwuma adansie ene ensuo enwo ensem so saye Mrashe Bejeni edema adehye ya wonmo ewutu senya won sabato mpesua so ewo emfifi mantemu maame akasa den sabato dwase wo ba no eyade a wohye ne manfo dodo na ya omwo abato mpesua ho no ebo se wo ba obehwe ama enwuma ho akwa atwede ama ne titiru mabunu no watimi ahye mokena no watimi aboa ama bibia so watimi atone kwan mu ede ama na dehye na pane nuane ampa wose wo ba ye ensane dwuma sua ahodo eyade a wobiebie ede ama adehye ya wonmo ho ne sayo so ntino sambebunu no emu bese aduasa ba ko ye kasei wonu matimi asua de no awie apon wonum ho na bra na akwankwaja som ekoso no ene wokoye ekokasaye na no de sem ya wode tuja eni.
I'm hoping, sir, a lot of the youth, at least 60-70% of the youth, will at least have a skill. We Okada rider, you have another job, another skill. I wish you had reduced your account. Here in the Sana, she said, yeah, more than one thing to do. So there are days when maybe you don't have to ride Okada or you don't have to please sit in a store, but you can actually practice your skill. And then also, ASARE, you can go anywhere in the country to go and practice. Because in Mano, that's our baby. And ASARE, they can at least they have their machine set and they are just ready to go. And if you be so, your mom when they say they should examine the trends and look at the trends. You don't always have to have a static shopper. We hairdresser, sometimes you also have to go to them, market yourself, brand yourself well, with your bag or with your small suitcase. I wouldn't have, and you rather go do the marketing and offer the service to people, because you say, we have to think outside the box. For me, myself, Gizela, as a second term MP, may embrace the TVET, because I'm a product of the TVET, technical and vocational education training. As an architect, so it's a technical skill that I have that I will take all the way.
Wabetwitwa ede agye amanfo ahodo ya wonu me won potem ho na won monyafo Gizela ekasa no sane wosidi tu dwa no wo kyerese wo hene yade a wono soso ebe mu no wode abasobode ede ema no se ampa de woka ye no wama no abemu na wo stress obekoso na watimi ebie ni ntabemu sebe ya dodo na ebefre kiraba ama epotem wofo ni titu ne mabunu no wonom ensa etimi aka adwuma yenko na nice Samuel ono so ne nsama ode tu dwa no yenko tie bi.
Udo ka kamere be mo se wa wo fe du uni se enya bia be bua wo na ma e se wo ye de wo hwe na wo njan odu a wo fa wo mu na nkasa wo fa wo tu o video mu se wo bele na wo se wo be fe du e se ya ye hwe na ye tu ye wo fu ni ye wo fu sa enruboni mu afi ye ye wo fu ma adwumadi ampanifo ne de gu ho de ama ye se ye hwe na ye nsua na o kina de so mba mfaso ma ye ene ye mma ene ye busua no e de ye ho ahyem na ya so ya fa adwuma ni ye na yesuye dwuma no yesuya na ehu ni yi a otina ya na ebe faso de amaye MP ne de oye na afemu de minister so mo yo ma afemu de ye president oye na afemu de ne mboni aka ye wa wu ni pedua no so ekwanya wo be faso a okina bi so be ba mfaso e de ama ya ye be ye nsa no dwuma na ya ye because aman bebre wo ho mu ye nsa no dwuma yi mo ko school krapa ye nsa no dwuma na mo ko kosua ama bi to say China say no omu sua nsa no dwuma ye wo akola na ye hu ni say ade we no ye ebe boa na e nu echi no odi se na ebe ya ebe boa man no man ayeden akoso dinsa no edwuma de ehia pa
wahe popo ya wote adwaso de ma dehye ya wonmo ewutu adawukwa ye no ewo emfifi mantemu nine Samuel Kofi Tewia ya mane tofo ya wotonkra ewo emfifi mantem badema yen Erika nine na doroma ena yensa ekan semi bia ya da na ekire ede asomoi.
Hot Bite Kasiebo na wotie for SOMPA 106.5 Accra. Yankwabata wodo ne nyina da Kasiebo ye enemu. Yatoa ensem no eso. Waye bosumi yesi wo ye asante mantem wo de dwumaso bi e ho no mo a. Wato ne din se Telecel Ashanti Month of Impact. Wayi aye Telecel Ghana wo mo anedi se dwumayin. Botare nyina no aye se wo mo enante monten so e wa asante mantem no mo bodawuru. E de fa Telecel Ghana e ho. Ye hia so wo manfo e de Telecel e be ye dwuma. say ye di yesika anasempo ye de eye call na wie kire a one mo san so aye free house screening e de amamu ni nyina ame ye hwehwe ya pomdi mu na one mo ye nkyerɛkyerɛ sonko e de afa ho wei aye Telesal Foundation e na afa ho ka one ma hyase etu anamo e wasantemantamu na one ma hwɛ e ne mama e di nkomo na wie kire a wotekra ne bro ngoma so asantemewura otofo se tutu ye otoso mienu afi one ma kone na so na anuoma hodo a esefata se wo mu di nkomo esie no ne nyina da one ma tumi aye ne saa na ebra enena dwumadi sonko ekoso ewa santemantamu ye won mo hyase se wo mo pa ho ntoma na won mo danadi amomamu na hunu ye hia se ye de Telesal eye adwuma ewa santemantamu no wabanye payo no eye executive head ewa santemantamu Telesal Ghana eye Ashanti Bono and half origin ora kwaku asiedu wana sompa kase ekasai na ensem wode to dwana moma yentie bimra
ene yadamase te muhati obibe bisase ene yadamase se yina yababishe muhati obibe bisase hintina Telesal ene yadi yahu na ba konongo ya brando konongo kama yadi etimu na ba ade ba akopɛ Asante ma the only say every year bia no we use to ba akoti ho the month of June celebrating Asante man a way to thank Asante man for their immense support omudima Telesal brand no and also to partner Otunfo to show appreciation for the guidance odima business no na ye wonyama bebre ayala ne up this month Asante man now one of the events no the health fest it's a way to say thank you to our customers in Konongo.
I was your way executive head, wada Telesal Ghana, Ashanti Bono and a half origin, or kwesi do nana kwakwamono, and a head of foundation, sustainability and external communication, the Telesal Ghana, MAAME Rota, AGYEIWAAH Roxen, and so Edekakra Echatosi.
Telesal Ghana and the whole month of June we celebrating the friend Ashanti man the Chinese say busumi of month June na the whole region and we have a Konongo and any Kumasi and maybe so by Telesal Ghana officer opposite Lorry station na free health screening yes say apomodi efutu anasa wo fa ana wa badrom obefa car yes health screening by doctor for waha and nurses for waha pharmacist waha ye behwe wa promodi ye be lab ye be ma we bro enti bra ni na ye free and na ye wo national health insurance card for so waha e no mo djuma o be renew the card amount free you need be register amount free enti enefiti anopa e kodie yes free health screening e wo Telesal Ghana office e wo Konongo opposite the Lorry station.
I was your warrior head of foundation, sustainability and external communication at the Telesal Ghana, MAAME Rota, AGYEIWAAH Roxen, na mani boy, yenyanma one more SOMPA 93.1, asantimantem kropo kumase, and na ede ebesumye.
Yedu rapum din ensemuna swafo ya wadaso na no munyamfo kwabena minta kando ene dia to just say eye apomdin adwuma yefo beye empem wotwe ya yafa wo mu nyanya me ya do wo hwe nim se July bosum ni mu die na wo mo ahye adwuma asesan se processes ayedu wo mo fam nyina no enche eba wieye na wose wo warehye mu kese yie pa se processes no enye den afrisa bere ya kopem se June ne bekọ awieye ne die na wo mo awie bibia na wose enche Ministry of Health for wo mo ede edin a eye nkrofo a yafa wo mo adwuma ni nyina wo be publish wo mu din no e wa abonten ama obi ehu na fe ye de bia ya ye de wo ekọ location no ye de abata odin no ho no wahunu se bia ha ene ya posti wa kwa ha ne ya to wato se de be ya nimo betimi ada ho na wo mo a wo ma adwene mu ye wo kesne fa interviews ahodo ya wo mo ebekọ ne ho nkro ne ba nyina no obia etimi nya ne ho entiase na wo de ne nsam ba wiye no wo se ade ba ko ehia wo mo kese pa eye kurunkuma ne nkurase no se wo mo amomani no ekọ ho no mo kese se de be ye betimi dia pomde adwuma e fododo no a akwakogu wa we no enye se mepe ha debi saa de ende enya ade a wo be ma ho kwan kra enti rural areas no wo be madodo no akọ ho na kakra na aka no so ya che wo mo ade agu kruwa kese no emu ana cities no na wo matimi aboa ma pomde ho nsem so etimi agyina yi.
Afei yensa enko yechi won fifi mantemo Cape Coast ehwo ena yakwa akowura na meya ya wono eda Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly nano eye odmonyamfo George Justice Arthur penyi akasa de nsamo tudwa ejese kwan ya wono befa so etimi atratre won kwabemu ewo adwuma biemu afei nso sika semento to ye ede ne nyinimu ede amakropon no na afei krampo no wona wonom ewo trimupo nyame adom wonom akyede ya wotimi ebiebie nyuma etimi fa afoforo no wobetimi atete dodo na ade aka ho no enam sayo so nti watimi ayedwumedie bi ya ne nyina no wonom ankasa sika ya wonya ede free eye kropon mu no wonom ede ba bepia ema titiriw ya wonom etimi eye sa adwuma ahodo se bia wo entrepreneurship adwuma ne bi eye ade a wabie wotimi fa ni adwuma anase bia ombetimi ebiebie nyuma akese ewo ho na etimi afa enipa dodo na nso ede wo mawura mu no wose wonom apa ho entoma ne sayo so nti no watonsa ede efre wo bia se wonra na wontimi emra meboa wonom se be ya wonom tirimupo ene adwensie ebetimi awie mudie ede ama wonom.
To support every movement and use businesses with grants, including training on beekeeping and packaging. We are facilitating areas in the metropolis for light manufacturing and storage, so your goods are safe and your rent is low. Clean environment means more customers. If any assembly officer today or around report directly to my office. We cannot close a 24-hour company with 9 to 5 workers. My charge to you, entrepreneurs, register your business with Ghana Revenue Authority and register general department. It's your key tools, contracts, and government programs. The Ghana Enterprise Agency is here to help you for free today. Your business money is not of money. Opening a business account. Banks in this group have SME account.
Eneya etwegu ye eye odmonyamfo George Justice Arthur wono ene ye Cape Coast Kropono wonom emeya nanano disem no eche no odmonyamfo ekopenye ochreduamoa wono eye mfifi mantemo mansofo wono so eka kakra ede kire ye kwan a wonom ebefa so na watimi aboatimopoi amana wiemudie.
Many people go many businesses because they are cowards, because they are scared, because they do not have to wait. Most of the time, at the meeting level, at the level that you are going, you want to enjoy political party. So at least they can leverage their ways, which is something for them cannot try. Because after that political party, what will be your strength? How many of us are ready to stand alone without any political party? Do we believe in the Bible? Do we believe in ourselves that our strength and the strength of God combined? And do something for us. We have to always belong to the political party to become somebody. See the politics, the politicians, and business for the businessmen. Let's have that clever indeed. Politics are too much by the businessmen. But they have their
ene totona no wototo bi ede amatememfo se to de bia wo bi ewo pepa so betimi aba bebia adwuma wo na so no wo bei ensenkeka ne yatwe ya no de esi ne so ena afa bia mu so no wo se wona wonom ye adwuma wura no ebi so ye nyatwom papa so ode ne sika ba be hye omanfo no ebia ye ebia adwuma ama wo manya bia ye ne da bi yesa wane amanyofo enipa titiriw ede opesa wane wono bo se ne nyina ka ho bi ema enne awiawi amanfo no saa ewo mpotamo na so ne nyina mu no wo behwe ama bibia sato na akoma manwuma yo ho nsem no etimi agina ne naso wane krakra mu ne yesemi ko manka bi de eye muso ete se de watua eye abo woti na che anase wakoma wono wantwa ne ti anase wasa kapoma na che se wantimi enjemu ne saa yo so nti no opanyipa ya woto nsafre no se wono eme kasamafo ede madwumedie no yewura tonye Patrick Ko wono Nigerian wo bia wotimi ebiebie adwuma wo co-founder esan Edema Sahara Group na ebra wono so kasa no wode nsam dodo na tudwa na wosere ne nuanom se wo meya adom no womoa emiemie adwuma esan se to da bia ba bia wo bekwa akosoye no wo se wotimi bo adehye ya wono mo asase ne so.
If you want to sell your place, It's a local person who has been there. So if you speak negatively about your place and you've been here all your life, why should I come and invest in something that you do not see? Look through the eyes of visitors that are coming here. What are they saying? What is nice about what they're saying? So you speak to them, interact with them, hear from them about what they see that you don't see. You know, when you're in a place for too long, sometimes you don't get to see what is available to you before you get. You see, there's money in the whole world, and that money will face and focus the place that confidence, like you're confident about your place, confident about your people, confident about your investment, money will flow.
We say a yamani bofo Erika nai ya just watonka won 15 montemo ena enejume die no wode emunsem nyinada etimi bae no
Hotbite kase bo ane yede to so no abusua ye hwa no so se dwumako bi ape marketers ene wono ayedwuma na adwumako ye ka wono asem yi wono abemu pa ye che se wono dimu ewo magane mu a wo bibia da ebepese wono ebeye adwuma na wono hwe se wo pepa na wo pese marketers yi wonso ka hu bi se obekọ monten so okotwe wo manfo no mo di wo musika botena be wura adwuma ni mu a eno wono se wo application no aba SOMPA 106.5 Accra Domeheye na emanenche sanse efiti sesebre ya akopem 9 June die na etuatwa enyade ya wombaji obi application biem yese SHS graduate wa wie senior high ya obetumi diaba wukita HND ya obetumi diaba degree holders nso yegemo awa etu enti eno ane se wodo application no aba SOMPA from yebaje 21st clinic the sciatica expert wo moka ho meduma for aba center Dr. Time Dasunie and Time Herba Mixture one ne kra yemuo na yada ye hotel yeba amono nsem etwoso
Brush your teeth every day and night. Up and down and all around. Brush the clean and bright. Brush your teeth. Brush with mom and dad. Underneath and in between. Brush the germs away.
Pepsodent, cavity protection.
For dental stronger.
This advert is FDA approved.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa mpa feyentu na yemfie ni nchiremu ewo UK eye Prime Minister Kestema wonoso na kache ai wode ensem atudwa kyerese wo hwe eniyoya hodo ya kyese wo fesi anase wo femu ewo ne mpotemo ankasa na eyade a wono ankasa no woje ne ho a enje ni nyina ne sa abone yade akrampo esanse so ono ankasa ehwe na eniema hodo ya Helenowak ya kyese ono enya mfinhia be sedu nwotwe ne yede eye hankofa gu ne nsa na yese wonko na yonkonko da afiase na yensa enkonko ni de eyade a enebonefusem wese no enka yetete kwasemo eni kwanse nei no wonom esososo na so no wo hwe eniema hodo ya ekoso ene enyimu hodo ya ekoso wa maman mu a eyade a ebrana wiedu se yetena sine nyina no yetimi ekasetia esanse eniema hodo se no eya etoda bia ya yamhyehyie krampo ena edema amanfo no nti no wobesere amanfo nyina se yenhwe ne yenka bi se beya saa enebonefo sem wese wom se nipa no ebia wakodi bone ebia wakwakodi wana se bia bone bia eso kyenso na so se yensa nkokum enipa no ewo bra wono ankasa na ni gani eguso no wose eyade a eha adwente no wonom emwa na obia enka bi emfa emasa ensem wese no emetete kwansem na entwem se beya dachi bi no ebi ensan ensibiem ewie adehyiman mana hase nom ena brebe ma yekwan ama yede ensemu a yede ebesomo efi nonum pemu ede besi sabre no ede esie amanebofo ya yebetena se ebe ensemi ede maamo no ye basa bidi do OHENEYERE MAAME EKUA YEBOAH ASIAMAH bronya mene esquire
ADWOA ASARE ENAFE
AKOSUA AGYEIWAAH KODIE buatin.